Assalamu alaikum class 2. I'm your English teacher here to teach you English. I hope you all will be fine and I am going to say you welcome from the Dari Akram Iqbal Town campus Rawalpindi. This is your English period time, so all the students take out your English workbook and open it with me. So this is your week number 1 and period number 8 today we are going to do. You need to write period number 8 here and date over here. It's 8th April. You will write 8 by 4. After writing period and date, we are going to move on the topic which is textbook reading, Androclus and the Line, book page number 30 and 32. So all the students take out your English textbook and page number 30 and 32. So students, this is the chapter Androclus and the Line we are going to read today. But you need to do which thing first? You need to write date and day on the top of the page. On both pages you will write the date. Okay, let's start the reading. Androclus was a slave. Androclus, now he is Androclus. Androclus is the name of this person. He was a slave. Slave means गुलाम. वो एक गुलाम था. His master was very bad. उसका जो मालिक था वो बहुत बुरा था. He beat him. वो उसे मारता था. And made him work day and night. और उससे दिन और रात उससे काम करवाता था, दिन रात. Androclus ran away into the desert. Androclus जो था वो एक दिन रेगिस्तान में भाग गया. He ran and ran. वो भागता गया. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. फिर क्या हुआ जी, उसके जो रेत थी और जो पत्थर थे वो उसके पाँव को बहुत बुरी तरह से चोट पहुंचा रहे थे. He was very tired. वो बहुत थका हुआ था. He went to sleep in a cave. Cave means गार. और फिर जब वो बहुत ज़्यादा थक गया तो वो एक गार में गया और वहाँ सो गया. Suddenly, अचानक से he heard a lion roar. उसने एक शेर के गुर्राने की आवाज़ सुनी. He was afraid. Afraid means खौफज़दा हो गया वो. Then he saw the lion. फिर उसने शेर को देखा. It came near him and roared again. वो उसके करीब आया और दोबारा से दहाड़ने लगा. Androclus was very afraid. वो बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया. The lion held up its paw. Held up means जो शेर था उसने अपने पंजे उठाए. paw means पंजा. And roared loudly और बहुत ही गुस्से के साथ और ऊंची आवाज़ में वो गुर्राने लगा या दहाड़ने लगा. Androclus looked at the lion's paw. Androclus ने शेर के पाँव के नीचे देखा. A thorn was stuck in it. एक कांटा उसमें फंसा हुआ था. Androclus gently pulled out the thorn. Androclus ने नहायत ही आराम के साथ उस कांटे को बाहर निकाला. The lion licked his face. तो शेर जो था वो उसके चेहरे को चाटने लगा. After some days, some men came to the desert. कुछ दिनों के बाद कुछ आदमी उस सहरा में आए, रेगिस्तान में आए. And caught Androclus. और उन्होंने Androclus को पकड़ लिया. They took him back to the town. वो उसे वापस दोबारा अपने टाउन में ले गए. They put him in a cage. उन्होंने उसे एक पिंजरे में बंद कर दिया. Cage means पिंजरा. There was a lion in the cage. उस पिंजरे में एक शेर भी था. It roared loudly. वो बहुत ऊंची आवाज़ में दहाड़ रहा था. Androclus was afraid. वो फिर से खौफज़दा हो रहा था Androclus. The lion came and licked his face. शेर आया और उसके चेहरे को चाटने लगा. It was his friend. वो उसका दोस्त था. The lion from the desert. ये वही शेर था जो उसको रेगिस्तान में मिला था. Androclus and the lion sat down together in the cage. Androclus और शेर जो था वो दोनों एक साथ उस पिंजरे में बैठ गए. All the people saw this. बहुत सारे लोगों ने, सब लोगों ने ये सब देखा. They shouted और वो शोर मचाने लगे. Set Androclus free. Androclus को आज़ाद किया जाए. He is a good man. क्योंकि वो एक अच्छा इंसान है. Even the lion is his friend. यहाँ तक कि शेर भी उसका दोस्त है. तो students, this was your reading. We have read this chapter. You need to underline all the difficult words like I have underlined. You can see that shout word. Shout means shore. Run, भागना. Slave, गुलाम. Master, मालिक. Afraid, खौफज़दा. And roar, धाड़ना. Beat, मारना. Loudly, ऊंचा. Paw, पंजा. Lick, चाटना. Cage, पिंजरा. And cave is गार. You need to underline all the difficult words, students, and write their meanings on rough copy in English. Now let's move to the workbook. So students, we have done week number 1 today, and we will move to the week number 2 in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.